Hello there. In this section, we are going to take a look at how to make the transition. This is something which is very important because most of the time, there is nobody in the organization who can tell a person who has been promoted that how he or she should make the transition. And we are going to look at 7 steps for making the transition. First, I am going to read those steps and then we are going to discuss them one by one. Step number 1 is the first thing which you need to do is change your mindset. Step number 2, find out management expectations. What management actually expects out of you. Step number 3, that is find employee expectations. Number 4, establish your authority. Number 5, get to know your operations. Number 6, get to know your people. And number 7, communicate your expectations.